Hi children, welcome back in our online grammar classes. Dear student, I hope you all are fine and enjoying watching videos. Students, after holidays, this is our first video, lesson number 18. In first term we have seen 17 lessons and as well as we have seen some composition part, story writing and all these things, okay? So let's start lesson 18, articles. Students, you have been already learning articles from your first class only. Okay, so what are articles? You know very well. We use articles before singular, countable, common nouns. So let's read definition of these things deeply. Okay. The word a and the are called articles. What are articles? What are articles? The words a and the, okay, these three words are called articles. We use the article a before singular noun beginning with a consonant sound. So where we use a? We use the article a before singular noun which begins with a consonant sound. So there should be consonant at the beginning of any singular common noun. So before that common noun which begins with consonant sound, we use article a. After that, what is their example is given? A banana, a mango, a girl. Okay. So if we see banana is a common noun and it starts with B, it is consonant. A mango. Mango also starts with M, consonant a mango and a girl. Understood? These three are common nouns as well as they are singular and they are starting with consonant sounds. So we have used their article a before that common noun. Now we use the article an for a singular noun which begins with a vowel sound. Okay, A, E, I, O, U. So, in first class only maybe you have learned about the vowels. In English alphabets there are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. If any singular common noun starts with the vowel sound, we should use their article an. Okay, so let's see example: an apple, an orange. So students, apple and orange are common nouns and they are singular used here. So as we see here that apple starts with A, that is vowel. So before this apple we have used here and same before orange when it is starting with O, it is used here an. So the common noun which begins with vowel sounds, we should use their article an. Okay. Now let's see what is next. We use the article the to refer to something of which is specific or if there is only one. Now where we use the something which is specific or which is unique, only one. So before these types of nouns, common nouns, we use article the. Examples are there: the Bible. Now students, what is Bible? Bible is a holy book. Okay, so it is Christians' holy book. So Bible is a book, but it is a specific. It is, we are talking about specific book. That's why we have used here the Bible. Now the sun. What is, why we use here the before sun? Because sun is only one in the world. There is no another sun. There is only one sun. So that's why we use here the before sun. The moon. It is also same, moon is only one. The moon, the Yamuna, So why we have used here the before Yamuna? Because Yamuna is a river, but we are not talking about any river. We are talking about a specific river, that is Yamuna. So before using the name Yamuna, we should use there the Yamuna, the Ganga, the Kaveri. Okay. Now the Times of India. Why is used? Why the used here? Because Times of India is a newspaper. So we read number of newspapers here. But students, we are not talking about all newspaper or any newspaper. Name is given here Times of India. So because we are talking about a particular newspaper, that's why we should use here the Times of India. Okay. The Himalaya also. Himalaya is one mountain. So it is particularly mountain. The Himalaya, the Orient Express train. So train, it is about train. The Orient Express train. Okay. So in this way, we use the article before specific thing or the thing which is only one. Now examples, again what examples are given here? I bought a mango. The mango is the biggest fruit in the basket. So dear student, two times mango is used here. Okay. So what is given here? I bought a mango. I bought a mango. So this time I am talking about any mango. Common mango is common thing, common fruit. Okay. I bought a mango from the market. The mango is, now why here the used? Because now I am not talking about any common mango. I am talking about the mango which I have bought, already bought. That's a particular mango. Okay. The mango is the biggest fruit. The biggest fruit. Now why again the is here? Is biggest any common noun? No student. It is adjective. It is adjective of degree. Adjective of comparison. We have learned this in first term. Before this already. Adjectives of comparison. So this is the superlative degree of big. Okay. This is the third form of adjective, superlative degree. Big, bigger, biggest. So whenever we use superlative adjective, so before that adjective which ends with est, or if there is most used before that adjective, we have to use there the. Okay, understood? So the biggest fruit in the basket. Now again the used before basket because I am not talking about any basket. I am talking about a particular basket, the basket. Okay. So once again, I bought a mango. The mango is the biggest fruit in the basket. We know which mango the speaker is talking about and which basket. So specific noun. That's why here the is used. Students, I hope you understood this video very well. You write these all definition with examples in your notebook in good handwriting. Remaining one we will continue in our next video.